This is a Master 1145 that I got off of Amazon UK. It's after Lock Truck figured out the secret, I ordered one. It's got 6 pins, dimple core, spools. To try to get into it, I'm going to use a Sparrow Z-bar and the multi-pick short flag. So I got nothing on 1, nothing on 2, 3, 4. Maybe a little click out of 5. Maybe click out of 6. Maybe something out of 5, 4, 3. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there's 1. 1, 2, 3, and I just dropped a bunch of stuff, I think. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Click out 5. Nothing on 6. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, and I'm going to pull set. And I'm slipping off the pin. Okay, so that was number 4, and it opens. So these masterlock dimple cores aren't, they're not the best. I mean, they're obviously not great, but they're not the worst.